Hi, everyone. My name is Peter Linton, and you're watching the Straightforward Digital Strategy YouTube channel. I just wanted to take a moment and give a bit more of an introduction to this channel, the purpose of it, my intent behind it, for anyone that's interested in AI and getting to know a little bit more about the behind the scenes aspects of AI and not just the buzzwords you hear popping around. So I myself am a bit of a technologist in that I am currently studying software development at a local community college. I got into tech on my own accord. I used to work in insurance for about a decade and kind of got the tech bug, which got me into a deep dive of just learning as much as I could. One thing I've realized is that tech in general, not just AI, has a lot of buzzwords around it. And for people peering in from the outside, makes it difficult for them to understand really what's going on when you hear a lot of coded terminology that doesn't make sense to the layperson. So the purpose of this YouTube channel is to give some context to the AI revolution as it's happening. Things are happening so quickly and on such a large scale that it's unprecedented. And even just trying to keep up with all this innovation, new releases, new products, new applications, it's mind boggling. So the purpose is to simplify the landscape and give you a bite-sized piece of context that you can digest for yourself and understand a little bit more about what's happening in today's day and age with AI as we progress throughout this transition. So if you're interested in AI and want to get to know AI a little bit better, I'm going to be explaining some concepts and some topics as I learn them myself and as the realm of AI expands. So I'm going to be giving you bite-sized 2-minute videos on different topics that I think are important to the landscape and try to piece them together so they kind of fit as a whole and aren't just isolated from one another. So that's the purpose of this YouTube channel. I plan on posting quite frequently, and I really want to try to grow the channel to see if we can get some good educational um, literacy behind AI out there for people to digest for themselves. I want to make it a resource that people can consume easily, no matter if you've just heard of AI yesterday or if you've already taken several courses on AI. I want it to come across as content that is down to earth, understandable, and also applicable and useful for people who want to use AI and think about AI as an important societal topic, which I believe it is. So that's my introduction to the Straightforward Digital Strategy YouTube channel. I hope you're interested in joining me on this journey. And if you are, hit that subscribe button to get notifications about new videos that are being posted. Until next time.